So guys, now what we will do is buy the Copilot license. Let's see how we can do that. First, we need to visit this particular site. Just note down the address here. Over here, we need to select Microsoft 365 Business Standard and Microsoft 365 Copilot for Business. Then I will click on Buy Now, which will take me to the Admin Center. Once we reach the Admin Center, I will select Continue. Here we need to select a plan. For this demonstration, I am going to choose the free trial option. So I will select Microsoft 365 Business Standard and Microsoft 365 Copilot for Business trial, which gives a 1-month trial. If you are not seeing a billing profile, then you need to add a new one with your payment details. That is required. If you don't already have one, you need to create it. After that, I will click Next. Now it asks whether, when the trial ends, you want the paid subscription to start automatically. I will select Yes because I plan to continue using it. Next, it asks how long you want the paid subscription. You can choose monthly or yearly. In this case, I will select Pay Monthly and then I will place the order. Now you can see the confirmation message. You have added Microsoft 365 Business Standard and Microsoft 365 Copilot Business Trial. Your trial will renew automatically unless you change the settings before the trial ends. Microsoft will email the confirmation number and payment instructions, and you will receive an invoice within the next 24 hours. Now I will click on Manage your new subscription. So guys, now we have the license available, and the next step is to assign this license to a user. What I'm going to do is go to the Users section. Within the Users section, I will select Active Users, and from there we can assign the license to a specific user. Let's go ahead and do that. Over here, I will select a user. In this case, I'm going to choose the user called Isaac Newton. After selecting the user, I will go to Licenses and Apps. Here I will select the license. As you can see, this particular license offers 49 apps and services. Let's quickly look at some of them. You will see services like Microsoft Teams, Dataverse, Common Data Service, Copilot Studio, Copilot for Microsoft 365 Graph Connectors in Microsoft 365, Microsoft Search, Microsoft 365 Apps for Business, Copilot for SharePoint, Copilot in Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Bookings, Microsoft Clipchamp, Power Automate for Office 365, Power Apps for Office 365. All these applications and services are included with this license. Now I'm going to assign this license to this particular user. So I will click Save Changes. Now you can see that the license has been successfully applied to this user. Going forward, I will use this user account for all our labs and demonstrations. If you have created a business standard tenant, you can purchase the Copilot license and assign it to any user in a similar way. Once the license is assigned, you simply need to click Save Changes and that's it. With that, we have completed this lab. From the next session onwards, we will start working on the actual concepts and hands-on exercises. All the setup work is now complete, and we will use this setup to perform the upcoming exercises. On that note, I will stop here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.